welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back on another video. As you can tell by the title, I am going to be making slime. So I'm going to be making it with this clear, with this, I guess it's glue, but I say clear hand sometimes. You can just go buy it. Then I will be using this for, but you know, do you know what I meant? But you know what I want? This. So, there goes the clear. And so inside of this container of the clear hand soap, I just want to be spraying one dot, maybe in one little drop in here. Not a lot, but a little. Like as soon as you put your hand on it, just push back just a small bit, and then I'm just gonna start mixing it. Oh my God, y'all! This is actually turning out to be slime, y'all. This is actually turning out to be slime. I put a little more in there. I want to touch that. So y'all, it's actually turning out. So this is how it looks. I'm going to keep adding more. Let it sit for just a little bit, but it's like that. This is that jiggly stuff. I left a little bit here. As you can see, I left a little bit the hand soap in there. This is my clean towel right here. I'm cleaning the bathroom up there. So just get it out. Yeah, let's finish. So I'm going to spray one scoop over here. Wait till it turns to some. So y'all had one that got it. I already had put it in there. Let's get the mixing. So it probably don't work because it has too much. It's already soaked because it did not work. Turn up OG to the party. So give this video a thumbs up. If you already haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Do it for the gram. So that is it for it. If you like Y'all Young DJ, I will be giving a shout out to Y'all Young DJ. I will give a shout out to Penton Kids, man. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. So I hope you guys like this video. Thumbs up if you like it. Peace.